English Vocabulary, Part 1. In this video you will learn English vocabulary. You will learn the basic vocabulary with things that can be found around the home. You will also learn the pronunciation, the sounds of the words, and how the words are written. The living room. Things that can be found around the living room. Ceiling light. Ceiling light. Light switch. Light switch. Door. Door. Door handle. Door handle. Sofa. Sofa. Cushion. Cushion. Electrical plug. Electrical plug. Electrical socket. Electrical socket. TV cabinet. TV cabinet. Television. Television. Curtain. Curtain. Curtain blind. Curtain blind. A fire. A fire. Fireplace. Fireplace. Picture. Picture. Mirror. Mirror. Table. Table. Chair. Chair. Lamp. Lamp. Laptop. Laptop. Window. Window. Vase. Vase. TV remote control. TV remote control. Thanks for watching. Look out for vocabulary part 2. Email me at valeranelli@gmail.com.